If you get this error code on your Nintendo Switch and the error shows 2137-7503 error code with a message, the server is currently undergoing maintenance. We apologize for any inconvenience. Please try again later. Now, the good news is that support for Nintendo have provided information regarding this error code. As you see here, I just went for this page here for support and I searched for the exact error code, and they provided information regarding this problem. So I'll guide you on how to resolve the problem. Now, they say here information for when you are unable to access an online feature such as Nintendo eShop and receive the error code, which is this one, 2137-7503. Now, they say here, before you start, you will need your Nintendo Switch 2 or Nintendo Switch console and an internet connection. Now, what you need to do is for the instructions here in order to fix the problem. You need to wait a while and try connecting to the service again, since this error code indicates an error occurred when connecting to the service, likely the result of a temporary service outage or a high volume of user access. So you just need to wait a while and try connecting to the service again later. As they say here, as you can see the screenshot, which say the server is currently undergoing maintenance. So you can wait for a few hours, allow up to 24 hours, and the issue will likely resolve by itself. If the issue has been occurring for an extended amount of time, check the network maintenance information or operational status page for any posted service outages. So I'll leave this page on the description of this video. If you click to this link here, it will take you to this page here, which is the network maintenance information or operational status. Also at this page here, make sure to just select on the either view previous information for online service status or on the maintenance information here. As they say, we are not performing maintenance on our servers at this time. So as you can see right now, there's no any service maintenance. But for you, when you get this error, make sure to come to this page here and make sure to check on the maintenance information to see if there's any maintenance going on your Nintendo. So this is the best guide on how to resolve this issue. This is occur when there is a maintenance. So you just need to wait for a bit and the issue will likely resolve by itself. Thank you so much for watching this video and see you next time.